Hey everyone, this is Miss Khan from Jewel Style, and today I'm back with the jewelry that we have on our website. And today I'm going to show you how they look on wearing, so that it becomes easy for you to judge that which set you have to buy. So here I am. So I'm wearing this very beautiful purple color beads choker set. It looks very beautiful on wearing, and it's not very heavy on neck. They are very light weighted, and you can order from us. So I'm wearing this purple one. We have another purple one. I'm going to show you that also. So the one which I am wearing, it is a little bit of light amethyst beads. We have one dark. This one, you can see this is little narrow fitted one. People who have a who have a very narrow neck, they can go with this one, or who want to wear something light, they can go with this one. Otherwise, we have this. The purple color stone is fitted. This one, and earrings we have, which is this one with this choker. In case you want to order. And the one which I am wearing is this one. Okay. Now I'll show you another set, which is this pink one. It's a beautiful necklace. So I'll just take out this one. I think this is a little interrupting. So these are the earrings. So the one which I am wearing. So you can see it's a very beautiful choker with this purple color stone at the center, and these are the earrings to it. It's a very pretty piece that we have. Then we have this pink color set. So I'm going to show you all vibrant colors of jewelry today. You can see this pink one we have, and we do have studs with it, and you can see how beautiful it looks on wearing. Stud with this moissanite polki pendant set. So it's a very beautiful set that we have. Then we have this very beautiful blue color. It's a doublet which is in blue color. This also you can order from us. You can see how beautiful it looks on wearing. Very beautiful blue color stone that we have. And the same thing we have in the green as well, that you can check on the website. I'm not showing right now. There's again a very beautiful, this is an offer price of flat. Earlier it was for 8,000, now it is in offer price. You can DM us to check the price. It is in moissanite polki, real moissanite polki. These are the earrings, and this is a choker. It's a very beautiful set, guys. Trust me, we have green also in this. But personally, I really like this blue, which is like a tangerite color. You can see purple and bluish mix. Beautiful choker set in case you want to order this one. Then I'm going to show you the pink color. Right, I'm going to show you all beautiful pink colors and purple color, blue color. We have this one. It's a very beautiful set in pink color. You can always go, you can wear this pink with red color outfit also, give a very nice look. Then we have green. You cannot go wrong with the green piece, because green is it's like a universal color which goes with everything you wear. So it's a very beautiful with big studs. These are the clip-on studs that we have. Stick, don't worry, you can rebend it. So it's a very beautiful piece in green color that we have. Then, like if you like something in diamond form with pink stone, we have this one. That is also a beautiful piece. Let me take out from this piece. Yeah. So we have in this, I think we have red color with us. We have studs with it. These are the studs. And you can see how beautiful it is looking with red as well. So pink color you can always wear with red also, which gives you a very nice contrast on wearing. So that's a very beautiful piece collection that we have. and you can see there's the diamond string which is attached to this pendant. Then we have something in electric blue. I don't know, I'm in real love with this electric blue color. So I've shown you the choker. This is another choker, and we have these studs. These are the clip-on studs. As you can see, I'm in so much of love in blue color that I'm wearing this blue color ring as well. So you can see, I think blue is a very classy color, and this is like the color of the season according to me. So it's a very beautiful piece in case you want to order. So we are going with this Eid collection, Eid sale that you can order. So it's there till Monday, where you can get flat 25% off. Very beautiful pieces. If you'll see, it's a very pretty pieces that I'm showing you today. All these are available on the website. Otherwise, you can take a screenshot and you can order from us. Some of the pieces, they are in an offer price, which are already discounted ones, so there's no further discount is there. You can see this multi-color big long set, so beautiful. Then we have a very favorite pendant of everyone, which is like a hot seller on our website, which is this one. And let me show you how does it look on wearing. So this is the pendant. You can see how beautiful it is, and we have clip-on earrings with it. Very beautiful piece, looks so pretty on wearing. This is also, you can order from our website. This is also one of best seller on our website. Then again, I want to go with the pink. I've already shown you the purple color in this. This one is purple. Sorry, this one is pink. The same one which I was wearing in the starting of this live session. And studs, we have so these are the studs. These are the beautiful studs that we have. Then we have another piece, which one you can, you know, we have this choker style set in case you want to order. It's a very beautiful necklace, and we have clip-on studs with it. So this is in pink stone at the center. We have the same thing in blue, and we have the same thing in white also. Blue is I have right now over here. This one is blue, beautiful blue, turquoise blue with these studs. So this is also a very pretty choker set that if you want it, in case you want to order from us. Then we have this one, just last piece left with us. This one is in an offer price at 4100 in case you want to order. This one flat 4100 in case you want to order from us. It's a very pretty set that we have. Then we have another piece, which is this one. This is ruby red color, and you can see how beautiful it looks on wearing. And we have studs with it. And you can see I'm wearing red. It's going so well with this red color. So this is also you can order from us. Then we have little heavier side. We have this green. Green, as I told you, it's a very classy and universal color. As you can see that right now this Ambani's marriage is going on. And you can see that Neeta Ambani, she's always wearing this emerald green color sets, pendant sets, because green looks so classy and looks so real. So we have this green. Then we have another green, which is this one. This is all in doublet. Green necklace set with these earrings. Then we have this very beautiful white polki one, very delicate one, the white. And we have these earrings with it. All are available on the website. And we have this Eid discount which is going on. So don't forget to avail these discount because it's there till Monday. We have another choker which is in green. The purple which I was wearing in the starting, it's the same thing, but then it is in green color. This is also so beautiful. Then this is stunner, people who want to wear something little heavy. So we have this one. We had 2 lines that is sold now, but we can make on order. So this is 5 line. It's a beautiful set like a Rani Har, and we have earrings with it, which is this one. So that is also a beautiful piece. In the same thing, we have green as well. This is also 5 line, and these are earrings to it. Then we have very pretty pendant. This is also in doublet, you can see, and this is the way you wear it. And these are the earrings to it. As I told you, green is a very classy color. You can never go wrong with green. Green actually goes on everything and looks super classy on wearing. Then we have this choker. This is right now in an offer price, already discounted on the website. And if you see the jhumki, they are stunner. This is a clip-on one. So it's the choker with the jhumki. Very beautiful look, like a Mughal look, you know, when you wear this choker. Then we have this beautiful green. We have the same thing in white. You can see the 80 diamonds are at the sides also to give you a very nice real emerald look of the set. So in case if you're going to wear this, it's going to resemble as if you're wearing the real polki set. You can see even on the earring side there's the 80 stones. It's a very beautiful set. So we have the same thing in pure white, and this is green and white combination. So it's a must buy piece if you love jewelry, and if you're looking something which resembles to real one, then I think you should go with this one. Then we have this beautiful piece in multi. If somebody likes multi, then we have this one. I think if you have any white or light pink or light mint color lehenga or the sari, I think this perfectly goes on that. Looks very vibrant, very beautiful on wearing. You can see it's so pretty. Then I'm left with this beautiful pearl necklace or the choker. It's again a very beautiful piece. This is a choker or the necklace, and these are the earrings with it. It is also very pretty set. Now to tell you that we have this choker. It's only for 900. I've already put on story also in case you're willing to buy this. Only for 900. It's a beautiful pearl choker. Just for 900. In case you're interested to buy this one, take a screenshot and you DM us. Now I'm going to repost this live session so that you can watch it again and you can order from our website. Okay, I forgot to show one piece. This is in our offer price. It's a mint color. Beautiful long pendant set, which is this one. Earrings are very pretty. You can see the fall of the earrings. It's really very pretty. So this one we have. In case you want to order, you can take a screenshot and you can order from us. One more I forgot to show you, which is if you are looking to buy something in yellow, we have this beautiful choker with these studs. So now people who are live right now, for them it is only for 2000. Take a screenshot in case you want to order this beautiful choker for 2000. Just for 2000 people who are live right now, only for them. I'm giving you in a flat price of 2000. It is for 3000 on the website, but then I'm giving you for only 2000 as a flat price. In case you're interested to buy, take a screenshot and you can order from us. You can see it's very beautiful. It's very beautiful for gifting purpose also. Looks so pretty on wearing. Now I'm going to repost this live session so that you can watch it again, and you can order from us by seeing on Instagram, and we have the wide range on website, which is www.jewelstyle.in. The website link is given on Instagram profile, so you can always go there and order from there. If you have any query, you can let us know. We do customize also all the Kundan jewelry. We do customize it. In case you have any customized order, you can always approach us on Instagram through DM, or you can WhatsApp us also. Even the WhatsApp number is also there on the Instagram profile that you can check and you can order. So that's it guys. Bye, take care. I'm reposting this live session. Enjoy our flat 25% sale, which is the Eid sale, which is going till Monday, and you can avail that avail 25% discount on these beautiful jewelry which I've shown you today. Some of them in an offer price, but mostly they are in 25% off. So do shop from us. Bye, take care, have a good day guys.